Press the magnetic suction parts into the B leg. Put the tabletop on a soft, non-abrasive surface. Attach 5 leg parts to the tabletop with 12 M6 screws. Note: assemble all fastenings loosely. Do not tighten the panels down until final assembly. Use one piezo screw to connect panel H and panel J, and repeat the same steps with panels H, H, and K. Attach front, side, back panels to each legs with 22 M6 screws. Use 2 M6 screws to connect control panel with front panel. Note: the side panels should be assembled on the C and D legs. Insert the handle into the slot on the door panel. Assemble the side door panels and the cylinder base using connection parts and M6 screws. Attach 4 wheels to the cylinder base part with M5 screws. Please note the distinction between directional and universal wheels. Put the ox horn screw into the cylinder base. Add the cylinder by sliding the side door. Please observe that the universal wheels are locked or not. Please lock the wheels when you use this fire pit table. Add the glass rocks to the fire bowl. Note: do not cover the burner valves with fire rocks to ensure proper flow. Close the lid. Open the igniter cap and place the AAA battery into the igniter. Then tighten the igniter cap clockwise. Do not over-tighten. Note: the lid must be removed when the burner is in operation. Press and hold the igniter cap. Then press and hold the ignition control knob. Push the ignition control knob fully in and turn anti-clockwise to low position. Adjust the flame to the desired height with the ignition control knob. To shut down the burner, turn the burner control knob clockwise to the off position. After each use, wait until the unit cools before putting on the cover. Note: remove the battery when not using the appliance for an extended length of time.